Hi guys, welcome to this week's Cultural Marketer segment. And we've been doing a few different tutorials more for personal use for WeChat to show you around the app. So today we're going to be talking about how you can find WeChat moments within the WeChat app, how you can see your friends' different postings, and also figure out how to do your own postings onto WeChat moments. So in order for you to find your WeChat moments, you want to go to your main screen. So open up your app, and then the next thing you want to do is to go into Discover. And then from here, you can see that you can click on Moments. And then here, these are the different moments. And these are your friends' moments. So when you're thinking, well, how do I see my moments? So then you click on your own profile picture, and then you click on moments, and then you can see all the different moments that you have shared. And then from here you can of course also post your own WeChat moments as well. You can choose a photo or an album and post a new moment that way. So on your WeChat moments, you can share photos like I just showed you. Another option would be you can see all the different links that I've shared here. So these are links from when I've read different WeChat articles, and I would tap on the article. Usually the article has, say, 3 dots at the top. You can tap on that, and then you can share it to your moments as well. And then, of course, you can also write a comment as you're posting, like, for example, this post here. I've actually written a comment, and then below you see the link. And you could also post several photos, or you could post a video. So that's another option you have when you're posting to WeChat moments. And so that was pretty easy, right? So now you know how to find WeChat moments, how to post your own WeChat moments, and share article links and videos. So stay tuned for our upcoming cultural marketer segments that will teach you more about how to use WeChat for personal use.